Xiaomi has just unveiled its new open-format headphones and its new smartwatch. The brand has globally launched two new wearables in conjunction with the launch of Xiaomi 15T, which I already made you some content about. Let's start with the Xiaomi Watch S4. In its version of 41mm, it officially arrives in Europe and various other regions with a price of €159. To give you a general idea, it features a 1.32-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 466 pixels, a peak brightness of 1500 nits. It's going to run on its HyperOS 2.0 system, which provides up to 8 days of battery life. It includes dual-band GPS and a skin temperature sensor for improved menstrual cycle tracking. Additionally, it features a blog mode to remotely control a Xiaomi cell phone camera. In contrast, we have the Xiaomi OpenWear Stereo Pro, which are open-format headphones now available in Europe for €149. Keep in mind that the pricing here differs from other regions. These headphones boast a sophisticated 5-unit acoustic system featuring a super large dynamic buffer, a dual-armature tweeter module, and a piezo-ceramic driver. All of these components have been expertly tuned by Harman's Golden Ear team. The rear hooks are made of 0.6mm titanium wire and offer 8.5 hours of battery life per charge, which can be extended to 45 hours with the case and have IP54 resistance. It seems that these open-form earbuds are becoming more and more popular, although from what I see in the surveys I've done, they don't seem to be the most popular earbuds. But believe me, they are quite comfortable.